Hey, Eric Coffee.
Hey, Eric, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. How about yourself?
Doing well, doing well.
Yeah.
So far, so good. Yeah.
So you're in
All right, how
IT.
many?
You do networking. Um,
Yes,
so you just start your company.
yeah, oh, yes.
All right. Um, Let me ask you this:
Yeah.
what clients buy your services? Right. So who are the agencies that buy what you sell?
So I've looked that up, and from what I see is most of the services and products that I see is from the Navy, um, Department of Interior. I also saw the Army and Department of State, and also Homeland Security. Those are the customers I've seen.
Okay. I can tell you right now that for IT and networking, GSA is
Uh-huh.
probably the largest buyer.
TSA.
Yep.
Okay.
Because GSA has technology contracts. They have blanket
Uh-huh.
purchase agreements. They have IDIQs just for technology.
Okay. And this is both product and services, meaning setting up not just, buying networking or IT equipment, but also implementing the solution and stuff like that.
I mean, it would be for you to do the research. I can. I mean, I can't. I couldn't.
Okay,
I
okay.
couldn't tell you that. I mean, I don't know. I don't know
All right.
every entity, but I can tell you that GSA has the largest program in the world for IT contracts. Now,
Did you say
what is
did did you say GSA or TSA?
GSA?
Oh, GSA. Okay.
Yeah, you ever heard of GSA schedules?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, GSA. That GSA.
Okay.
Again, I can't tell you the intricacies of if it has product, service, networking. I'm not really. I don't know, but I can tell you that they're the fourth largest buyer or procurement agency in the world, and
Uh-huh.
IT they have more IDIQs, blanket purchase agreements, IT than anybody else, than the Navy, than the Army, than the Department of State.
Okay.
They have contract
Okay.
vehicles specifically for IT. And not, I can't say that about any of those other agencies that I've seen. Not to
Okay.
that scale.
All right. Cool. All
So,
right. Thank you for that.
yeah. Yeah, no, I mean, that to me, that's where I would be looking. If I was in that arena and I wanted to get
Uh-huh.
started, I would be looking at into that arena because there's already companies that are working in IT. And so you could pretty much piggyback off of what they're doing. Join
Right.
forces with them, work with them, subcontract underneath them, that kind of stuff.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and the thing is, and I say this because, and I hear this all the time. People that are in IT, they're like, Eric, it's so competitive, and we can't get an opportunity. And then I ask them,
Uh-huh.
well, where are you looking? Are you looking in the right places?
Right. Right.
So,
Right.
and that's
Right.
why I
Right.
share that information because, you know, obviously IT is a huge field, a lot of different facets to it.
Uh-huh.
However, it's like anything else. If you are looking in the wrong place, it doesn't matter how hard you look. You're not gonna be successful.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
buddy.
Cool.
Hey, man.
Sounds
Hey,
good.
listen.
Thank
Great
you.
talking to you today. Keep it up. I wish you the best of luck. Okay.
All right, man.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Thanks,
All
Wendell.
right.
See ya.